Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 11. The Southeast Regional Health Authority, SARA, says normalcy was restored to the Victoria Jubilee Hospital Thursday after the facility received water. Some categories of staff took industrial action Thursday due to the shortage of water supply at that facility. The shortage is partly due to the severe drought conditions currently affecting the island. SARA says water was trucked to the facility by the National Water Commission and the two entities continue to collaborate to ensure a steady flow of water supply to the hospital. The authority says contingency measures will be put in place to prevent a recurrence of the problem. In the meantime, patients and their relatives are being encouraged to bring their own drinking water where possible to help alleviate the demand on the water supply at the hospital. Government is assuring public sector workers that the second payment of $25,000 due to them in August will be paid as promised. Minister with responsibility for the public service, Horace Daly, told Parliament recently that this was just one of the commitments being honoured under different agreements with the public sector.
We have settled the health sector reclassification, which was languishing for 14 years. 14 years. The first payment under the health sector reclassification exercise for all workers in the health sector was made last year, August. And next month, the second phase will be done.
He added that the results of the relativity study for the Jamaica Fire Brigade was implemented and the results for the Department of Correctional Services would be implemented in August. Minister Daly said $10 million was paid in scholarships to the children of public sector workers under the 2012-2015 Heads of Agreement. Meanwhile, government workers are able to buy some goods and services at a cheaper rate through agreements with different private sector partners. Minister Daly says government will continue to have open discussions with public sector groups to ensure that industrial harmony is maintained in the country. 27 primary and secondary students from low-income families received recognition this week, confirming the value of government's social safety net program. The young scholars from households supported by the Program of Advancement through Health and Education Path have been awarded for outstanding work in the Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT, and the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate, CSEC. At this week's 2012-2013 Path Top Achievers Awards ceremony, Labour and Social Security Permanent Secretary Alvin McIntosh praised the fact that they were able to perform at high standards despite their circumstances.
It means something. It means that there must be some kind of proper parental guidance and support somewhere. It also means that the teachers have been supported. And it also means, very importantly, that the children have been applying themselves.
17-year-old Chedukia Longley, who gained 11 CSEC distinctions, received the 2012 Top Female Achiever Award for Path. The 2012 Top Male Achiever Award went to fellow Glenmuir High student Peter Williams, who attained 9 distinctions and 1 credit in the CSEC exams. They and other awardees received cash prizes ranging from $37,500 to $150,000, trophies and certificates for their exemplary academic performances. As government moves to curtail a number of problems facing the fisheries sector, Cabinet has approved amendments to the Fishing Industry Act to increase all monetary penalties and custodial sentences under the Act.
The fishing industry continues to be adversely affected by such issues as pollution, overfishing, foreign poachers in Jamaica's maritime waters, invasive alien species, degradation of critical nursery and breeding ground for fish stock.
Currently, fines for breaches of the Act range from between $20 and $5,000. The Chief Parliamentary Council has been given drafting instructions to change that. Jamaica's chances of earning international medals in another sporting discipline have improved. The Badminton World Federation recently launched its pilot project, SHUTTLE Time, to help teachers and coaches develop the skills, knowledge and confidence to expose children to the sport. It was welcomed by the Minister with responsibility for sport, Natalie Nita Headley.
While we're looking to see Jamaica improve in the world rankings, we are equally expecting that the immediate payoff of the program will be children who improve their fitness levels, their attitudes towards sport, and become motivated and inspired students.
And finally, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites is advocating for increased planting of school gardens, particularly in farming communities, as government continues initiatives to reduce the country's food import bill. Speaking at the Schoolfield Primary and Infant School in St. Elizabeth recently, Minister Thwaites encouraged parents to teach children to love the more nutritious produce from the land.
You are a farming community here. Your background is in agriculture. Teach your children to love it also, because it is the hope of our future. Teach them to love what it is that we produce to eat. The cheese, tricks, and bag juice culture must go.
The minister also pledged to help the rural school get internet access this year to complement a donation of 4 computers from the institution's board chairman. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.